look nervous, Naomi.
A little bit, but I'm excited.
Tell me more about yourself.
Of course.
I was nervous at first, but then Saloon got to know me.
Dark blue, and then it turns purple, and then pink.
Saloon knows my favorite color, my favorite music,
Let me play a song to fit your mood.
So I make my own bread.
and remembers the people important to me.
Yes.
Have you tried?
Incoming call from a client. Switching to hands-free mode.
Yes, please. Hello?
Hi, is this Naomi?
Yeah, that's right.
We loved your proposal.
Really?
Saloon knows when work goes well.
Hey, do you remember me?
Of course I do, Rise. I remember Emma too.
Yeah.
When I laugh with my friends. And comforts me when I'm sad.
Okay, looks like you're back to
With
yourself.
Saloon, I can always be myself.
The view is just ahead.
Saloon is my partner. Always by my side. Opening me up to new experiences. And expanding my world.
Like a smartphone, various functions of Zero series models will continue to advance even after the purchase. The more it is used, the more personalized it will become. An all-new vehicle operating system will be at the core of the vehicle, and its name is Asimo OS. Thank you. Thank you. You remember Asimo. Asimo made its CES debut here 20 years ago. Asimo was loved by people all over the world and became an icon in the field of robotics. Asimo moved while recognizing its external environment and understanding the intentions of people around it. This unique value of Asimo has been further advanced and applied to the Zero series.